here is a 9060. It has its original circuit board back in. Oh, and as I look at it, I see that the power plug is not plugged in. That would certainly slow things down. But everything else is. So, I'm going to turn this on. Alright. It reports no errors. And I reached in here. I cannot. Alright, let's see. I turn on the pet. It too acknowledges what's up. Drive not ready. Okay, that is pretty much what it was doing before. Pretty much. So I'm going to write a quick program. And I'll let this run here for a while. I equals I plus 1 40 print I 50. Oops. Go to 10. Hello, Penny. So when I run this, it's just gonna, this is exactly what it used to do. So I don't think I've harmed anything in all of this, in terms of this drive, because this is what this did. I think I can make this better. What can I do? Because I don't need to see that thing running. 1, 2, 3, quote, clear home, quote, semicolon, find, 5, okay, quote, clear home, quote. So this should now clear the screen, and I believe these, basically it's going to just, yeah, it'll sit there and display how many times that it has tried to do this. It will. So this is encouraging in that I don't think anything has been damaged, because this is exactly how this was. Now I never did get to try the 9090 board in this drive, and I believe, okay, for the little bit that this worked, I did see this board function in the other drive, and then things started to go weird. So I've never had an opportunity to do the reverse and see what's what. So as my, and this does give me hope that this pet is fine, this cable is fine, and that the trouble with this 9090 is indeed within the 9090. So hopefully nothing has been damaged. See, originally what I really wanted to do was copy everything off of this, which I hadn't done because I was, oh, don't worry, it'll be fine. Nothing can go wrong. Anyway, so this now has been trying to catalog this drive now 700 times, so of course nothing is happening. And nothing will happen. It will just keep on going. This is why I figured that I would try to swap the drive mechanism. So what do I know? That's an excellent question. I know that Penny is still calling me. Hello, Penny. I know I had this that worked. and this board from here went in here, and it seemed to work, and then things went weird. But I don't think anything's gone weird enough that, like, there's been no smoke or flames or anything. So, what is my next move? Well, excellent question. I'm not sure. But I think maybe with my secondary 90-90 thing here. See, there's only, there are 3 plugs. There are 3 plugs. I'll have to look and see. Like, I'm pretty sure if I were to set this in a better configuration, I could probably get this and this to go into, I bet you I know where that goes. This probably goes into the drive itself. Okay, this may not work because I just don't know if there's room to do what I had in mind, and that is to plug this in backwards and be able to run the cords up to the other drive to see if that makes any difference. Maybe, here's the funny thing, I thought the 90-90 would save the 90-60. It may be the opposite. It might be. But as the power supplies are so sort of wide open, who knows, maybe that can be corrected. Anyway, it may be that what I end up doing as a test first, take this board out of here, put the board from here and here, and see if I get the same results as I have here. And then take the whole rest of everything except the power supply out of here and put it in here, and then see what happens from there. This is a whole lot more complicated than I thought, and I really, you know what, I've got other things to do, but now I'm baffled and pissed off. Like, it wasn't supposed to go this way. It just wasn't. Yeah, power supply gets hot. Don't touch that. Guess that's why they got the fan blowing there. We're stuck in there. No, it sucks in, it blows in. It does. Alright, so I'm going to leave this just doing its thing because, well, why not? And if you remember, and I know you can't see this from here, basically all this program is doing is trying to catalog, printing DS string, counting one by one, and printing the results each time right back at the top of the screen. Nothing terribly exotic. Alright, so the project continues. So I'm going to go talk to Penny. Hello, Penny! And I'm going to just let this sit here, and I'm going to keep on thinking and pondering and percolating, and then see what my next move is. And really what my next move should be is, I do want to get set up in different places, an area with a 64 that I know is working, that I can test other computers, other disk drives, other monitors, other things, and other accessories, such as joysticks, and other such things, to then, well, I'm going to start lightening my collection. Hard to believe. And do I know how many Commodore 64s I have? No, I don't. And chances are, as I still have lots to do in the basement, oh yes, gotta get to the basement. Lots to do in the basement. I suspect I'll find more. I know I will. I know. I know there's two 1541s down there I haven't dealt with, which I should deal with and figure out. And then, yeah. Yeah. Yes. As I say, I will be lightening the load. It will be time to sell. So this has now been trying exactly as it has. Oh, there's a bit of a flood in there. Uh-oh. What's happening? Alright, something here is different. This light is no longer flashing. This is still counting. Is this gonna... now what? There's a bit of a flutter there. And now this other light has stopped being on. Oh, joy of joys of joys. I'm going to let this spin all the way down. Boy, that fan spins for a long time. Still spinning. The drive has stopped. So I'm going to turn this back on. So this light, things flash, they did their thing. Okay, well the arrow light was flashing. Now the arrow light is not flashing. It has done this sort of pause thing. And I bet you this is locked up. Okay, and now the air light is not flashing, it's just on steady, and now it is, and now it will break. And it is no longer displaying the disk status when I asked for it. Okay, so this is back to another thing of, now I'm curious, because now it doesn't seem to be, is there something wrong in here? That once it's heated up, has the pet now stopped communicating? Hi, Penny. I don't know. So remember I kind of had a thing. I think I still need to swap out this pet. But it too could be having issues. It could. Let's try something here. Oh. And now, this drive is doing what this board at one point, hello Penny, I think was doing yesterday, is now flashing one flash, which I believe, according to some things, but I really have to find the proper information, could mean something wrong with 0 page. Yeah. So maybe that too is heat related, because this has now been on for a little while. And why I touching these? Well, sometimes if everything is at a certain temperature and everything is, or one chip is hotter or colder, either something inside is shorted out or something inside is not making a connection at all. Anyway, yeah. Alright, I have more to ponder. I'm going to shut everything off, device not present. So it had indeed locked up the bus. Hi, Penny. Yes, I know. I know. That is kind of what this did yesterday when it was in here. So maybe there too is a fault on here. Oh, yeah. Alright, I think I still need to think. Hello, Penny. Yes, I know. But I think the plan is to try the drive and the circuit board from the 9090 in here, or perhaps in my other one, to see if a different power supply makes a difference. Anyway, stay tuned once again. I'm not sure I made myself clear. Help!